Alright, let's knock this parallel lines Google form out. Parallel lines and transversals. Okay, select your class period, get your name in there, watch the video, and then let's go over it here. Okay, so corresponding angles. Corresponding angles just means it's an angle in the same position. Okay, so look at this spot, it's equal to this one. Okay, it means they're equal, which is congruent, they're equal. And it says when the parallel lines cross by a transversal, the pair of angles that are in the same position at each intersection. Okay, so it's just in the same spot. Okay, moving along. Alternate interior. Okay, so this is saying 4 is equal to 6. Okay, so they're going to be the same, congruent, and they will be equal. And when a transversal passes through two lines, a pair of angles that are formed on the opposite sides of the transversal inside the two lines. Okay, so opposite sides of the transversal inside the lines that are parallel. Okay, so we have the transversal, lines that are parallel and that are opposite, so alternate, opposite, interior, inside the lines. Checking this one, same side, interior, so same side, interior, they're going to add up to 180 degrees, okay? So 4 and 5 are going to add up to 180, so they're supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees, and these ones are when a transversal passes through two lines of a pair of angles that are on the same side of the transversal. So look, there's a transversal, there's the angle, on the same side. And they're on the interior, so they're between the lines. Okay, here we go. Alternate exterior, so alternate, so they're on the opposite sides of the transversal, and they're on the outside of the parallel lines. Parallel line, okay? Opposite sides of the transversal. So they're congruent, they're equal, and they're on the outside opposite the transversal. Okay, that was the same question over, we hadn't edited it yet. This one is same side exterior, so 2 and 7, they add up to 180 degrees. 2 and 7 do. They're on the same side of the transversal, and they're also on the outside. Okay, so that's what this one says. It says they're exterior angles, and they're on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Let's take a look at this. This one makes sense. Okay, this one's 30. Across has to be 30. 30 because they're in the same position. Across has to be 30. 150, 150, 150, 150. Those would all make sense. Okay, here we go. We need to find the value here. So when I'm looking at this, I know that this is the same as this because of alternate, so opposite, exterior. Okay, so the answer is 74 degrees. Okay, let's get rid of that and scroll here. Here we go. What is the angle? Okay, so same spot, same position. We're going to say that's going to be equal to 64. Okay, so same position. Now this one, these ones would add up to 180 degrees. So to solve, you have to take 180 minus 86, and that's going to leave you with 94. Okay, so that angle is going to be 94. Okay, moving along, let's check these two out. Okay, this one's across, so vertical angle, so 101 is going to be your answer. This one is alternate interior, so 46. Okay, so opposite the transversal, inside, they're going to be equal. Okay, so this one would be equal with this angle, and then let's say that this angle would be equal with this angle. Okay, moving along, checking it out. Let's see what we got left. Probably should, done. Rate your confidence. Explain your reasoning for your selections above on this. So tell her if you think you need help. 101, why? If you got it, why? And that should be all for the week. See ya.